Yes, from the last 2 days, I had
Yes, ma'am.
continuously been asking you people to read the chapter. Now, very honestly, tell me how many of you have read. Just raise your hands. Harsh, Bhumika, very good. Okay, very good, Rahul. Ishika Jain, good. Then, other students did not read. I'm talking to other students also. Shruti, Shruti, Aishwarya, Khushi, Samiksha, Vanshika, Ayushi, Dakshoja, Tanvi Gaur, Pranchu, Mehul, Avinash, Tanisha, Shweta, Dhruv and all. Why didn't you people read better? Hurry up, answer me, otherwise I'll remove you. If you're not going to answer me, you won't attend the class. What was the reason? Yes, hurry up. Yes, Muskan, did you read the chapter? Okay, Mehul has also read the chapter. Right. Muskan Sheikh, Radhika Khandelwal, did you go through the
Yes,
chapter?
yes, ma'am.
Have you read Radhika?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Tanvi Gaur? Yes, Tanvi, hurry up. Okay. Avinash, quick. I want the answer. Hurry up. Avinash, they are disappearing on their own. They are leaving. Good. Tanisha, did you go through the chapter? Yes. Vanshika, did you go through the chapter? Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. I have read the half
You have read the
chapter.
why? For whom did you leave the half, beta? Samiksha,
Ma'am, I have read the chapter, but I have some confusions.
have you read or not? Only this I'm asking you people. And I said, if you have read the chapter, just raise your hands. Aishwarya Kumar, Aishwarya Kanwar, sorry. Khushi Dadich,
Yes, ma'am.
have you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, do not lie, okay? Don't lie.
No, ma'am. I have read, but there is no option for raising my hand.
अच्छा ठीक है. Avinash, Avinash, Pranshu, yes, Pranshu Chaudhary, Suryansh, Suryansh, have you read the chapter? Yes, hurry up. Shweta,
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Dhruv, Dhruv, I'm talking to you, Dhruv. Daksh Oja, hurry up, Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read the chapter, beta?
Yes, ma'am, but not the last one, last page.
How much have you read? 3/4 of the chapter? Pranshu Chaudhary. Yes, Pranshu. No answer I'm getting. I'm removing you then. Okay, now only those students are there who have read the chapter. Ayushi Shukla, have you read? Ayushi Shukla, hurry up. Have you read the answer? The chapter, yes.
Ma'am, I have read, but last 2 pages I haven't.
So from the last 2 days, beta, I had been asking you to read. Why did you leave the last 2 pages? Hmm? Okay, now tell me what is there in the beginning then, Ayushi? What is there in the beginning? Hurry up.
Ma'am, there is one junior assistant clerk
Good.
who came there and doing the summons of he have the job that to do the summons,
Hmm.
and he was not uh, he was not enjoying his job because he was thinking that doing the summons uh, he get the harsh jobs also. So
Hmm.
so
Yes,
after a
yes.
long time
Hmm.
so after a long he got the job to s- summon the Oliver Lutkins.
Hmm.
So when he had the news to go there, he was thinking that it is a good place to go there. There will be greenery, and it is the town. So that's why
Hmm.
he was very excited.
Hmm.
But the village name, the town name was Mullians.
Good, very good. Yes, very good,
When he
Ayushi. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Yes, Bhumika. Bhumika Sankla,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is there? Beta, what is there in the story?
Ma'am, he's a narrator who is a clerk. Ma'am,
Hmm.
he's a lawyer, but
Yes, he's a
he
lawyer.
uses to do uh, but he gives summons to the victims or the wit, witness to
Hmm. Hmm.
them.
Hmm.
Ma'am, he did not like the job because some sometimes he also got bitten by the persons
Hmm.
whom he gave summons. Ma'am, one day, ma'am, he was ma'am. One day he got choice. Wait, ma'am.
Okay, who will continue?
मैम एक बार है ना क्या बोलते उसको 40 माइल्स
Hmm.
40 माइल्स उसको एक समन देना था एक सिटी के अंदर कॉल्ड न्यू मुलियन। वो
बेटा
वहाँ उसको
yes,
वहाँ
but try to speak in English only. Try. Come watch me, you try, okay? That was a good effort that you begin. So you continue with it. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Rahul, would you like to continue?
Yeah.
Yes, beta. Rahul Chaudhary.
in Hindi.
No, in Hindi. Try to speak. Try to speak in English, beta. Don't hesitate.
Ma'am, in
Come on.
this story,
Yes.
one man complete our graduations and find to job in color in a court judge clerk,
Mhm.
and ma'am, his duty is give a summons to other persons
Someone is
or
a call from the court. Okay. Yes.
notice
Okay.
give to other persons, and ma'am, many times ma'am, other person
1
beat.
minute. Khushi Dadi, you read the chapter? Khushi Dadi and
Yes,
Khushi
ma'am.
Rathod. Khushi, did you read the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Khushi Rathod? Khushi Dadi, mute the speaker, beta. Khushi Rathod, hurry up. Okay, fine. Yes, Rahul, continue.
Ma'am, many times ma'am, other person beat Lutkin,
Okay.
and ma'am, one time he offered to go a 40 miles distance to a village. Ma'am, he excited to go their village because in village a greeneries and no pollutions. And then he go to a village and he
Okay,
was sad
fine. Good.
because
Okay, good. Good effort. Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this story is
Hmm? Okay. Yes, Harsh, what happened, beta? Continue.
ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this story is about a lawyer who is working in a law firm. Ma'am, he was a junior assistant clerk. So, as he was a junior, so the main work was to deliver summons. But he was not satisfied with his life as he only delivers summons and do not do another things like a lawyer do. So he want a village life. He was satisfied with a village life, not a urban life. One day he have to go to 40 miles away to a village called Newlands. He think that as it was a village, as it was a I'm a city, I'm an urban man, so the people does not like me.
Yes.
When he reached there, uh, he met a person named Bill Mangusan, who was a hack driver. The business was hack driver, and when he meet Bill Mangusan, he said, "Can you address me, Oliver Lutkins?" So the Bill
Can you
Mangusan,
take me to Oliver Lutkins, the hack driver? Okay.
yes, ma'am. But the Bill Mangusan said that he was a very clever person. He does not catch by a person who came from a
Okay, the
law
hack
firm.
driver, he himself was Oliver Lutkins. Okay.
मैम वो
Yes,
खुद
ma'am.
ही ओलिवर लुटकिन था मैम.
और ये जो young lawyer था, he was very innocent, okay? And this man,
मैम वो
you know,
उसको पसंद करता था.
he took him all around the village, okay, looking for Oliver Lutkins. लेकिन उसने इतना clever था कि बिल्कुल भी ये show नहीं होने दिया कि वो खुद ओलिवर लटकंस है।
मैम जब वो सेकंड टाइम वापस एक आदमी के साथ गया ना, तब पता चला
तब
उसे।
पता पड़ा था। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी इट इज, इजंट इट? बहुत अच्छी
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
स्टोरी
वापस
है बेटा
स्टेशन
ये।
पे रहते हैं, उसकी माँ के साथ खड़ा रहता है, तो वो दूसरा आदमी बोलता
हाँ,
है
इवन
ये
माँ
तो
भी
ओलिवर
एक्ट
लुटकिन है।
करती है, यस यस यस, और अंदर अपने घर में नहीं लेकर जाता है उसको। ओके, मेक्स हिम
Yes.
स्टैंड आउट और बताता है कि ये उसकी मदर है। ये नहीं शो करता है कि मेरी खुद की है, ये शो करता है ये लटकंस की मदर है। एंड बहुत अग्रेसिव है और ये है वो है। ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी है। एंड we'll, what is the time right now?
I'm 8:20.
Okay, 29 it is. So we'll begin tomorrow and we'll just try to finish it up in 2 days only, or maybe in a single day if possible, because it is not a long story, I think so. No? It's not a long story, beta, hai na? So within 2 days or 1 day, we'll just finish it up. And what I said, fairly quotes the chapters that we had already done. Okay, keep on revising them. Got it? You are not going to get any selective chapters. As you are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
class 10th, half yearly means almost pre-boards only, where you get the complete course, the whole course, right? So keep on revising.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और yeah, I just want to teach them the lesson, the students that I have removed right now, that it is the time they should be serious. Okay, they should take the studies very seriously. Hardly any months are left for the board exams. इसलिए to teach them a lesson मैंने उनको remove करा है कि next time तो उन्हें याद रहे कि मैम 2 दिन से कह रही हैं तो हमें chapter revise करना ही है। आ गया समझ में? अभी आप
Yes, ma'am.
पूरे दिन बेटा घर पर ही बैठे हैं और आपको ऐसा कुछ काम भी नहीं मिल रहा है ना, इतना कोई असाइनमेंट भी नहीं है, तो whole day you can utilize. Okay, take advantage of the time that you are getting right now and try to improve your 10th board result. बहुत अच्छे से अभी से रिवीजन शुरू कर दीजिए. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so tomorrow when you come to attend the class, means when you are there to attend the class, keep a register and a pen. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye then beta.
Yes,
Goodbye.
ma'am.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.